Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the safari harvest event and grow a garden. It is kind of a global event, so you are going to work together as a whole to add points to the board. Right now it's at 10 billion points. And you'll also get individual rewards if you add 500 points. So if you go to the individual rewards here, you'll see what you can get from it. You'll get like statues, crates, eggs, and whatnot. And basically, you will need to give the plant needed by Joyce. So right now, Joyce needs the, she needs stocky plants. Then if you don't know the stocky plants in your garden, just go to the guide section, go to plants, and just type in stocky. And it's going to show you guys all of these stocky plants that you can give to Joyce. So there's spring onion, shroom, parsley, corn, melon, light shoot, bamboo, prickle fruit, chicken feed, Poseidon plant, etc., etc. Those are all stocky plants. Then you will get some rewards if you hit the 500 mark, and it basically opens the safari shop. So as you can see, we just need to reach the 13 billion milestone to get the Baobab. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.